Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I wanted to make a video on our January net worth. So really it's kind of through December, we just calculate it in the beginning of January, kind of summing up the previous month. So in looking at this and knowing I needed to make the video, it's actually very depressing. This past year, with the stock market and everything just being all over the place, when I look at the numbers, really my net worth has not changed much in literally the past year. So I really started tracking it in this way a year ago. And so just to compare the numbers, last January we were at like 331,000 and now we're at 329,000. So we actually have a negative or a drop in our net worth. Overall for the past year. So we also look at it obviously month to month. I track it as well, and we did also see a drop in the past month. So it dropped by over $6,000 in the past month alone. So again, a lot of this is just due to the volatility in the stock market, but despite that, we continue to invest both consistently in our 401ks through our employer. Those are automatic. Plus, we've been contributing fairly consistently to different investment accounts such as Fundrise, the crowdfunding real estate platform. We have an M1 brokerage account. And last year, we maxed out my Roth IRA and are starting all over again this year to max out my Roth IRA again this year. So despite all of that continuing to invest, thousands and thousands of dollars every year, when you just see that still decline either month after month or after a whole year, it can be deflating. But I just keep reminding myself that this is temporary. The economy does this. We've seen it in history. When it goes down, it always will recover. So just reminding myself to be patient, and when it rebounds, it will rebound big, because I've been buying stocks at a discount while the economy is down. So although the numbers are not exciting and not motivating by any means, here just to document that journey, and someday when I do this, I can be excited to show the huge progress that we have made. But for the actual numbers, and I'll kind of just recap how we calculate our net worth, because everybody does it a little bit differently. So we use the home purchase price, not the current value price. So we don't plan to sell our home and get that equity. So we're conservative in that and using the purchase price that we paid. Then we lump together all of our retirement and savings as one number. And then I do call out specifically real estate, and at this time it is only through the Fundrise real estate platform. So it's not a huge number that we have invested in real estate. Then we sum all those together, and that is for our assets. And then our only debt or liability is our mortgage on our home. So then we subtract that out, and that's what calculates our net worth. So for January of 2023, our net worth is $329,521. Again, like I mentioned, that is down $6,391 from last month. And then we calculate also our percent to FIRE, so financial independence. And I'm kind of conservative on that number. For this, I use 1.5 million. I think ideally I would like that number to be higher than that, but that's the number we are going with at this time. So we are 21.97% of our way there. So that number, again, hasn't really changed a whole lot because the economy has been fairly consistent. It'll go up and then it comes back down. So not anything exciting, actually. It's down total over that past year. So just wanted to provide that update. Hopefully next month we will see things start to turn back around and get back in the the positives, but it is what it is. And again, we continue to invest regardless of how the stock market is doing. So this is just my encouragement to you to not be discouraged, even if you are looking at your numbers like we do and tracking them, that it will turn around and your investments will pay off. So be consistent, ride it out, and you will reap those rewards. So that will do it for me, and I will be back again next month with another net worth update.